Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Fendi unboxing. I'm so excited to bring you this unboxing today. This is a true unboxing because last night I shopped at Fendi and I'm unboxing it. Previously when I bought my other bag, it was in and out of the box because I was so excited. So true unboxing, but before I unbox it, I just want to talk about Fendi, the Brisbane store at Queens Plaza, the lovely manager Rita and my sales associate Sophia. They are the best. I mean, when you buy luxury, I think you spend a lot of money, but I think for me, you love the bag, but you also love to walk in there and have really, really good service. And they gave me a drink of water. Nothing is too much trouble. We went through a whole lot of bags. There is a story behind this bag and I'll tell you about that when I unbox it. But they just went through everything and showed me everything. So if you're visiting Brisbane or you live in Brisbane, call in and say hi to Sophia and Rita, and also don't forget there is a men's section as well, and there is a sales associate for the men as well. So let's get on with the unboxing, and I have Poppy here who's chewing on my book. I've written a few notes on this bag so that I can sort of do the unboxing justice. Can you leave that alone, please? Okay, so there is a story behind this bag, so let me just explain it before I get into it a bit more. The story, this was an unexpected unboxing for me, or a buy I should say, because I had bought my queen, as I call her. She's the baguette in the hot pink, and I absolutely adore that bag. So I was saving for something else, and Sophia contacted me, and I went on the site and I was looking for another baguette in another color. If you get on the site, it's like the canvas one. I think it's the medium, and it has all the little F's in different colors. I love that. I would have purchased that yesterday if I could get hold of it. Poppy, stop it. Sorry. She's still a puppy, so she does all these things. Anyway, so I was after that, and obviously they haven't got that in Australia. They haven't seen it yet. So this particular bag, I wanted it in February for my birthday, and I said to her through text, do you have this, hoping they have it again, and she texts back that she could get it from Melbourne. So I was so excited, and I thought I'm going to get this bag because I have wanted it for a while. So let me show you what it is. What do you think of the ribbon, Poppy? Okay, do you want the ribbon? You can have the ribbon. Do you want the ribbon? Okay. So the yellow bag, and there's something about these yellow bags, they're just so cheery and they just make you feel so happy. So that'll be my receipt. Which way have we got it? Okay, there. So that's the yellow box. I love the black writing on it too with Roma. So here she is, and nicely wrapped. Like I said, haven't touched it this time. I love the little stickers, so I don't want to wreck it. Maybe I will just do this. Let's just take that out. Put the box there. So the reason I also wanted this bag is, Poppy, no, you can't have the bag. The reason I wanted this bag is it suits my style, and because I live in Brisbane, we have a subtropical climate and we have really hot summers. So the one they had around my birthday was the same bag, but it was actually in the darker, you know, the traditional Fendi print. And this one is what suits me more, and I struggled to get hold of it, and I'm so excited that I have her now in my collection. She's just that bit different. So what I got, and I've got the notes here, she is called the Runaway shopper, and she is just beautiful. I love her. Can't stop smiling. And the reason I love her is because I live in a subtropical climate, I wanted the white bag. I don't mind the brown here. I think the brown here just gives it a nice contrast, but the other darker one, I just could not see myself carrying that. And this one, I can see myself carrying it with my style. I'm a boho girl. I love maxi dresses and maxi skirts, and this is just going to go so perfectly. So we're in winter here now in Brisbane, but this is going to be my summer bag, and I'll probably have this on my shoulder a lot. So let's just look at the cost of the bag. Are you loving that ribbon? That's from Rita and Sophia. That ribbon's from Rita and Sophia from Fendi. So the bag cost me 3,890 Australian dollars. And like I said, it had come from the Melbourne store. So thank you, Sophia, for getting me the bag from the Melbourne store. And I didn't have to wait long. I ordered on Friday and I picked it up yesterday, which was a Wednesday. So it came in really, really quick. So the length of the bag is 28 centimeters. The height is 21 centimeters. And the depth is 11 centimeters. And this is calf leather, so 100% calf leather. And this here is lamb's leather trim. And what I love about it too, it's sort of vintage inspired. So it has these like little lines or cracks on this part here, which is supposed to be there. It's because it's like that vintage, and that's what I think I was drawn to it too. I love it. So let me just take the stuffing out. I think this is the care booklet. So that'll be the care booklet. And I love how it's got this strap too, and it's adjustable. So I will get some modelling shots of this later. I'm about 5'7", so keep that in mind. And I love the hard sort of handles as well. So it's structured, and I can just see myself wearing this a lot. So let me just, I'll just read what they have on their site so that I'm sort of doing it a bit of, well, I'm telling you the right information. So it says, small shopper bag with rigid oval double handles, features metal rings with detachable straps. So this strap does come off. White perforated calf leather, which is what I really like. I love the perforated look. I just think it just adds some interest to the bag. Profiles and Fendi strap applique in glossy brown vintage effect lamb leather. So that's the vintage part I was talking about. And contrasting two-tone lining, gold finish metalware. So that is her. But I just love her, and I think I'm going to be able to style her in many ways over the summer. And also, while I was there, they offered me this beautiful bottle of champagne, the Runaway champagne, and I'm a champagne drinker. They know me well, so thank you girls for the bottle of champagne. I'm going to enjoy that another day. So don't forget everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye. So Poppy's going to say goodbye to everyone at Fendi, especially Rita and Sophia. Bye. Say, oh, big yawn. Bye, girls. If you like this video, please subscribe, push like, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.